In this lesson, we'll simplify the fraction 54 over 81 to its lowest terms. Simplifying a fraction means reducing the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor, or GCF. To do this, we should start by listing out the factors of both numbers. Let's start with 54. Its factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, and 54. Now, let's list the factors of 81, which are 1, 3, 9, 27, and 81 itself. The greatest common factor, or GCF, is the largest factor that both numbers share. If we look at the factors listed, we can see they have 1, 3, 9, and 27 in common. The greatest among these is 27. So, we'll divide both the numerator and the denominator by 27 to simplify the fraction. Let's calculate these. 54 divided by 27 is 2, and 81 divided by 27 is 3. So, the simplified form is 2/3. And there you have it. We've simplified 54 over 81 to 2/3 by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor, 27. Simplifying fractions helps in calculations by making numbers smaller and easier to work with. This process is especially useful when dealing with algebraic expressions or complex equations.